How to make your phone never turn off. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can stop your Android phone from turning off automatically. So if you're tired of screen going black while you are reading, watching or walking, I have got a perfect solution for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings on your phone. And once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled lock screen. And here you can see the option of sleep. So simply tap on that. And here from the different options shown in the pop-up menu, simply tap on option labeled never. And after tapping on that, it will make your Android phone never turn off. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.